I always thought that popcorn was made from corn like this, but it turns out I was totally wrong. Normal sweet corn is way too soft, even when it's fully dried, and it isn't able to pop. To make popcorn, the kernels need to have much stronger shells, and a completely different type of corn is used. The kernels on this one are way harder, and they kind of feel like uncooked noodles. To pop it, it's apparently exactly the same as regular popcorn, and I can put it in a microwave. I'll put it in for 2.5 minutes, and now I just have to wait. Okay, so now I have a bunch of nice and fresh popcorn.
It's pretty good.